Right, first we have to simplify x plus 12 equal 20. Right, it is the first equation given of this exercise. You have to solve this one. Solve mean what? You have to find the value of x. Right, then what you have to do? X containing this side, no? Right, also you can see this side, another term 12. 12 connect with x with addition operation. So you have to do the opposite mathematical operation of addition to remove 12. So what is the opposite mathematical operation? It is the subtraction. So this side you can put minus 12 to balance the equation. Other side also you have to put minus 12. Then this plus 12 minus 12 cancel. X equal 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. So the first one answer x equal 8. Right? It is the first question of review exercise. Then let's go to the second one. X minus 7 equal 2. Right? To find x, you have to remove 7 from this side. 7 connect with x with the subtraction. So to remove it, you have to do the opposite mathematical operation, right? What is the opposite mathematical operation? Plus 7. So both sides you have to put plus 7. Then minus 7 plus 7 cancel. X equal 9. So the second equation solution is x equal 9. You can check the answers quick, right? Then look at the next one. 5 plus m equal 8. Right. To find m, you have to remove this 5. 5 is plus 5, no? To remove it, what you have to do? Opposite mathematical operation you have to do. Right? What is the opposite mathematical operation? Minus 5. So both sides you can put minus 5. Then plus 5 minus 5 cancel. M equal 3. So the third equation answer is m equal 3. Right. Then also another some parts given. Simple d given 2x equal 16. Next one given simple e minus 3x equal 6. And simple f given 2p plus 1 equal 5. Right, then let's go to solve these three equations. Look at this one. To find x, we have to remove 2. 2 and x connect with multiplication. So to remove 2, you have to do the opposite mathematical operation of multiplication. Right? What is the opposite mathematical operation? Both sides you have to divide by 2. Then this multiplication 2 and division 2 cancel. X equal 8. Right? It is simple D answer. X equal 8. Quickly you can check your answers. Right. Then let's go to the next one. The next one given minus 3x equal 6. Right? We want to find the value of x. To find the value of x, you have to remove from this side minus 3. Right? Minus 3 and x connect with multiplication. To remove it, you have to do the opposite mathematical operation. Right? So what is the opposite mathematical operation? Division. So both sides you have to divide by negative 3. Negative 3 and negative 3 cancel from this side. So x remaining. And this side look at positive divide negative. Positive divide negative. Also now you know the directed numbers knowledge you have. So positive divide negative. The sign is negative. 6 divide 3, 2. So what is the answer? X equal negative 2. Right? X equal negative 2. Then let's go to the next one. Simple f 2p plus 1 equal 5. To find p, you have to remove this 2 and 1. First you have to remove this plus 1. To remove plus 1, you have to put both sides minus 1. 2p plus 1 minus 1 equal 5 minus 1. Then plus 1 minus 1 cancel. This side remaining 2p and other side is 4. Then we have to remove this 2. 2 and p connect with multiplication. To remove 2, what we have to do? Both sides you have to divide by 2. Then 2 and 2 cancel. P equal 2. Right? P equal 2. It is 6th part answer. Are you correct this first 6 parts? Correct. Also this knowledge you got in grade 8 class, no? Then about the solving equations, to revise, again given as a review exercise these questions. Right, then let's go to the next one. The next one given simple G. 3b minus 7 equal 2. And the next one given simple h. X over 2 equal 3. And simple I given 2p divide 2 equal 6. Right, then let's go to check the answers of these 3 parts. Right, first we can go to discuss this one. We want to find b. To find b, you have to remove 3 and 7. First you have to remove 7. 7 connect with subtraction. To remove it, both sides you have to put plus 7. Then minus 7 plus 7 cancel. 3b equal 9. Now both sides you have to divide by 3, no? Then 3b divide 3 equal 9 divide 3. 3 and 3 cancel. B equal 3. Simple G answers B equal 3. Right. Then look at simple H. We want to solve this one. Solve means you have to find the value of x. Then this side also containing 2. You have to remove 2. 2 and x connect with division. To remove it, you have to do the opposite mathematical operation. So both sides you have to multiply by 2. Then this multiplication 2 and division 2 cancel. X equal 6. X equal 6. This one what you have to do? This multiplication 2 and division 2 you can cancel, no? So what is the answer? P equal 6. P equal 6. Then also another 3 parts remaining to discuss of this review exercise. Then let's go to discuss the remaining 3 parts. Simple J. M over 5 minus 1 equal 8. Then also another one given, simple K. 2 bracket x plus 3 equal 11. Then the last one given, simple L. 3 bracket 1 minus x equal 9. Okay, then let's go to check the answers for these last 3 parts. Right, look at this one. We want to find the value of m. So 5 and 1 you have to remove from this side. First you have to remove 1. 1 is negative 1, no? Minus 1. So to remove minus 1, both sides you have to put plus 1. Right? So m over 5 minus 1 plus 1 equal 8 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. M over 5 equal 9. Now we have to remove 5. 5 and m connect with division. To remove it, you have to do the opposite mathematical operation. Division opposite mathematical operation is multiplication. So both sides you have to multiply by 5. M over 5 multiply 5, and other side also you have to multiply by 5. Then this division and multiplication 5 cancel. M equal 45. So simple, right? Last day I told you there's a bracket here, then also outside the bracket you can see 2. Then if you want, you can remove the bracket. Also if you want, you can remove this 2 from this side. To remove 2, what you have to, both sides you have to divide by 2, but this side you can't divide by 2. So what you have to do first, remove the brackets, right? Remove the brackets. Remove the brackets mean this all inside the terms you have to multiply by 2. 2 multiply x, 2x. 2 multiply positive 3, positive multiply positive, positive. 2 times 3, 6 equal 11. Then we can remove this plus 6. To remove plus 6, both sides you have to put minus 6. Then these two cancel. 2x equal 5. Now what you have to do? You have to divide both sides by 2. Then x equal 5 over 2. Right? 5 over 2. If you want, you can write as mixed number. Right? If you want, you can write as the decimal value. Right? I will write as the decimal value 2.5. Right? 5 over 2 is the improper fraction, no? So you have to convert into mixed number or decimal. Right? If you convert into mixed number, the answer should be 1 over 2. Right? Then let's go to the next one. Also there are two methods you can follow to get the answer for this question. Right? If you want, you can remove the bracket first, then like this you can solve it. If you want, both sides you can divide by 3, because this side also you can divide by 3. So if you want, both sides you can divide by 3. Then I will divide by 3 both sides. Then this 3 I can remove from this side. Then 3 and 3 cancel. 1 minus x equal 9 divide 3, 3. Right? Then you have to remove this 1. 1 is which one? Plus 1, no? Right? 1 is plus 1. හරි මේ 1 වලට ඉස්සරහින් තියෙන sign එක තමයි යාට අදාළ වෙන්නේ. Right? මේක නෙවෙයි. මේ minus එක අදාළ වෙන්නේ මෙයාට. Right? So plus 1 you have to remove. So what you have to do? Both sides you have to put minus 1. Then this minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Then this side remaining minus x, this side remaining 2. Right? Solution mean you have to find the positive x value. But this one we received negative x value. So what you have to do? What's the coefficient of this one? Negative 1. So both sides now you have to divide, no? Divide by negative 1. Right? Negative x divide negative 1 and 2 divide negative 1. Then what happened? Negative 1 and negative 1 cancel. Negative x means negative 1x, no? Then these two cancel. So this side remaining x. Positive divide negative, negative. 2 divide 1, 2. Right? So what is the answer? Negative 2. X equal negative 2. Right? They are the answers for the preview exercise of equation lesson. Are you correct all?